Hello! Alright guys, so going with the recommendation of homemade reusable masks by our health ministry, I have tried to make my own masks, and since we all know that masks are one of the very important safety precautions and we all must have it. And considering situation right now, we all know that we are short of masks, sanitizers and a lot of other things. Especially our health workers out there are really suffering. We all know a lot of them are catching COVID-19. A lot of doctors, nurses are suffering. So how can we contribute? I think we can contribute by at least by not buying masks from the market and creating our own. I have tried to keep it a little positive and fun and quirky by picking up my favorite prints and creating a mask out of it. So you'll see the video, and this is the first time I have stitched a mask. So I'm very excited. So I'm going to share the process with you. Let's just get started.
So I've pre-cut all our fabrics. The top is 8 inches and the other side is 7 inches. So for edging, I have 2 separate pieces ready, pre-cut. It's 5 inches on one side and 2 inches on the other side. So as you can see, I've cut another fabric of same size and placed it on the first one. I'm going to flip it over and stitch the 8 inches side first. So I'm done with both sides. Now I'm going to take the right side out. I'm going to turn it over. And then I'm going to iron it properly. Yes, I'm going to iron this properly. So I've already marked and ironed the fabric and created nice hard crease around 1 inch each. Now I'm going to bring them together, one after the other. 4 creases I've created. Now I'm just putting them on top of each other, and now we'll stitch both sides. So now I have both the sides ready. So it's time to add elastic to it. So let's start with the edging. So I have these separate pieces ready. I'm going to place them. I'm going to place the mask over it from both the ends. And we will start stitching it. Okay, so we stitched both the sides. Now lay down the piece facing towards the outside of the mask. We'll wrap the outer part of the edging towards the mask. Tuck the edges in properly. And we'll roll it in and we'll stitch this part. Okay, so this is the elastic we'll use. This will measure 7 inches each. We'll be needing 2 pieces. So let's cut it into 7 inches each. our mask is ready. Oh God, I did it. Wow.
Come on, Dad. I made one for Dad and one for myself. Yay! And this one is mine! My favorite print! I have Mickey and Minnie in it. Stay safe and stay at home, है ना?
Stay safe and stay at home.
And make your own masks.
And make your own mask.
Yay!